This is the Pace soldering iron that I've got on eBay. It's a 30 box, it's not brilliant, but it's this original box that came in. What you're getting inside the box is soldering iron and cable and the stand. Stand has a screw here you can move up and down and tighten it where you like. This has a tip. This is the main item basically that you're doing the soldering with. So you can buy these off Pace website. I purchased my ones from eBay. Someone was selling them for $4.99, $5.99 like that, and I've got like various types. So that plugs into there, and that sits in there, and your module is the temperature. You can get these as well. They're around about, I think, from 16 to 20 pound. You'll probably have to check it on Pace's website. This is an 8.5, so it's 850 Fahrenheit. That goes in there. The power lead, I'll just plug my one in. This one is a bit short. Okay, let me just get that in there. Just want to show you how fast this iron on. There you go. And once the orange light turns green, you're ready to go. As you can see, there we go, we're ready now. So that didn't take long, and straight away. The other thing is with this, it has a power management feature that it switches off itself, so it's on that. So I think it's 10 to 20 minutes, something like that, then it just goes into power saving management. If the tip is not in there, that's a bit hot here, let me just see if I can get that out from back. There, you got the little holders there as well on the, as you can see there, you can hold your tips in there. So if there is no tip in the pencil, soldering pencil basically, where you'll get a red light, as you can see. I don't know if I'm really focused into this or not. Hang on, let me just... Yep, it'll start flashing basically that saying there's no tip. And they are changeable even when they're on, so you can push it in. Oopsie, that was a bit hot, and it turns orange. So then it's, so basically even when it's on, you can change your tips if you want to get more different types. There you go, it's ready again, and there we go. So these are not your cheap Heiko type soldering irons. Thanks.